Carolina. A strong thunderstorm will affect Cumberland County until 3:45 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Jerome, or 13 miles southeast of Fayetteville, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour will be possible with this storm. Heavy rain and minor flooding and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning will also be possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Fort Bragg, Godwin, Pope Air Force Base, Hope Mills, Spring Lake, Eastover, Stedman, Wade, and Falcon. Seek shelter in a nearby building or vehicle. Wind gusts as high as 50 miles per hour are capable of knocking down small or weakened trees and blowing around trash cans, potted plants, lawn furniture, and other light outdoor objects. Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning, especially in urban areas where prolonged heavy rain can quickly lead to flooding. Cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. Doppler radar has indicated weak rotation with this storm. If the storm intensifies and rotation strengthens, a warning may need to be issued. Here are the two